Hello guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to get your user ID on Discord. So let's get started. So first of all, what you want to do is go to your user settings, and now if you're somehow using older version of Discord, you'll probably find developer mode on appearance, and if you're using my newer version, you'll find it in advanced. Now you'll find it right here. When you're having it turned off, you're not going to see this option, and when it's turned on, you'll have these options. Anyways, they're not relevant right now, so just turn this on and go back. So now what you want to do is go to a server, somewhere where you can see your name. Just send a message to a random server. Then you want to right click on your name, and you can see this option now, copy user ID. Now you have copied it, and you can just paste it right here or somewhere where you want to paste it. Anyways guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, ask down below in the comment section. And if you liked this video and want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.